Today I'm going to show you how to solve absolute value equations. So the important part here is we need the equation to be in the form of the absolute value of ax plus b equals c. And c has to be greater than or equal to 0. Then we break down the equation into two equations, ax plus b equals c, or ax plus b equals negative c. So there are two answers to these absolute value equations. So let's try the first one. So we have x minus 4, absolute value of x minus 4 equals 6. So we need to split into two equations. So we have x minus 4 equals 6, or x minus 4 equals negative 6. And then we just solve an equation. So plus 4, so x equals 10, that's one of our answers, or plus 4, x equals negative 2. So my two answers are 10 or negative 2. If they ask to graph the solution, the graph just goes on a number line. So 10 is out here, negative 2 is out here, and then we just put our answers on a number line. Let's try another one. Okay, here we have the absolute value of 3x plus 1 equals negative 5. The problem with this one is that we can never have a negative here when we're talking about absolute value. So this is in the correct form, except there's a negative 5 here. So this is no solution. No answer will work there. It's impossible, okay? Let's try this one. So this is not in the correct form. So we need to bring the 10 over to the other side. So plus 10, plus 10. So we have the absolute value of 3x plus 9 equals negative 4 plus 10 is 6. Now we're in the correct form. So we're going to do 3x plus 9 equals 6, or 3x plus 9 equals negative 6. And then you just solve. Minus 9, 3x equals negative 3, so x equals negative 1. That's one of our answers. Or, so we're going to do minus 9, 3x equals negative 15, divide by 3, so x equals negative 5. So either one of those two answers would work. So again, this one we're going to split, get in the correct form, minus 5. So the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 4. Now we're in the correct form. Now we just write out our two equations and then solve. So x minus 2 equals positive 4, or x minus 2 equals negative 4. And then we solve. So we could have x equals 6, or, so plus 2, x equals negative 2. Those are our two answers, 6 or negative 2. In number 6, we have to get it in the correct form. So now we have to divide by 4 first. So now I have 2x plus 7 equals 4. And now I just write out my two equations. 2x plus 7 equals 4. And then we have 2x plus 7 equals negative 4. And then we solve. So minus 7. So we have 2x equals negative 3. And then divide that by 2. So x equals negative 3 over 2. Or minus 7, 2x equals negative 11. Divided by 2, so or negative 11 over 2. Those are your two answers. Or you could put them in a decimal form, it doesn't matter. Now, let me just erase this to give me some room. Okay, let's look at the last one. I'm going to work PEMDAS backwards first. I need to get this in the right form. So we're going to do plus 3, plus 3. So I have negative 2, absolute value of 5x minus 1 equals negative 8. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So I have 5x minus 1 equals positive 4. So now I'm in the correct form. I'm just going to use a space up top here. So we're going to have 5x minus 1 equals positive 4, or 5x minus 1 equals negative 4. And then we solve. So plus 1, 5x equals 5. So x equals 1, that's one of our answers. Plus 1, 5x equals negative 3, divided by 5, divided by 5. So negative 3/5 is your second answer. I hope this helped you to understand about solving absolute value equations. Have a great day.